Greetings, fellow adventurers. Today, we embark on an epic journey through the cosmos as we learn how to generate awe-inspiring samurai galactic realistic images using the power of AI. Let's embark on this interstellar voyage together. First, launch your Chrome browser. Styler AI into the search bar. Hit Enter to navigate to the Styler AI website. From the search results, click on the first link to access the Styler AI platform. Click New Project. Upon selecting Text to Image, hit the Apply button to initiate the creation process. Now, let your imagination run wild. Describe the epic samurai galactic scene you wish to conjure using the provided text box. Choose a realistic style. Digital wallpaper portrait of a samurai in black armor. Highly detailed, at night, dramatic cinematic lighting, rainy, reflections in puddles. Dramatic composition, emotionally profound. Leaving an indelible and haunting impression on psyche, very intricate. By Milo Manara and Russ Mills. Click on the Stylerize button to let the AI weave its magic and transform your vision into a breathtakingly realistic image. Review the rendered image and make any necessary adjustments to ensure it captures the essence of your vision. Once satisfied, select all the images and click on the Export button to save your Samurai Galactic realistic image. Finally, download your masterpiece to your device and bask in the glory of your cosmic creation. And there you have it, intrepid travelers, with the aid of AI. You've successfully crafted a mesmerizing Samurai Galactic image. I hope you found this tutorial enlightening and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content. Until next time, may your adventures in the cosmos be as boundless as your imagination.